Okay, now run this way.
Come on, Norm.
Go.
Oh, no.
You're hurting my balls.
Dump a little out. Okay, do it again.
Tuck and roll.
Hold your knife. Oh, she's plastered.
You are plastered.
Greg, I'm guessing I'm driving tonight then.
Okay, Gage, do you think you can just jump up and stay on? Try her.
Okay, someone get over here.
I can.
Yeah, I can. I literally do feet.
Okay, take Norman's stuff away soon. You do better with your feet up higher over his shoulder. You'll roll off the side again. Don't run him into the truck.
That's fucking fun.
I didn't want to get him too wild over by all the equipment. There you go.